Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question that every SAP BTP architect gets asked in the very first customer workshop: how do we actually pay for BTP? You've built your solution diagram, you've picked your services, Cloud Foundry, HANA Cloud, Integration Suite, and then the CFO walks in and asks, subscription or consumption? And if consumption, which one? By the end of this video, you'll be able to answer that question like an architect. Let's go. So, SAP BTP offers two commercial models for enterprise accounts. Number 1, the consumption-based model. Here, your organization gets an entitlement to all current and future services that are eligible for this model. Think of it as an all-access pass. You can turn services on, turn them off, and switch between services anytime during your contract. You pay based on what you actually consume. Number 2, the subscription-based model. Here, you subscribe only to the specific services you plan to use, and you pay a fixed cost, no matter how much or how little you consume. You pay in advance, typically for a 1 to 3 year contract period. And here's a pro tip most people miss: you can actually combine both models, even inside the same global account. The only restriction: you cannot mix two flavors of the consumption model in one global account. Let's put them side by side. Service access. Consumption gives you the entire eligible catalog, including new services SAP adds later. Subscription gives you only what's in your contract. Anything extra means calling your SAP account executive and changing the contract. Cost behavior. Consumption is variable. Your bill follows your usage, service by service, month by month. Subscription is flat. Use it heavily or barely touch it, the price doesn't move. Flexibility versus predictability. That's really the trade-off. Consumption wins on flexibility. Subscription wins on budget certainty, and bundles of related services often work out cheaper than subscribing to services individually. So the architect's rule of thumb: well-defined use case with predictable usage. Subscription. Evolving landscape, innovation projects, multiple use cases. Consumption. Now, the part that confuses everyone: the consumption model comes in 3 flavors. Flavor 1, SAP BTPEA, the SAP BTP Enterprise Agreement. You make a prepaid investment in cloud credits with an annual commitment. Every month, SAP sends you a balance statement, and your actual usage is deducted from your credit balance, just like a debit card. There's a minimum investment entry, but you get volume-based discounts, you're billed annually in advance, and, very importantly, you get access to new services as SAP adds them to the catalog. If credits run low, you can top up any time. Otherwise, overages are billed in arrears at list price. Flavor 2, CPEA, the Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement. This is the original consumption model, the predecessor of BTPEA. Mechanically, it works almost the same way: prepaid cloud credits, annual commitment, monthly balance statements, volume discounts. But it comes with certain restrictions today, and SAP is steering new customers toward BTPEA. Flavor 3, Pay-As-You-Go for SAP BTP. This is the zero commitment option. Nothing upfront. No minimum usage. No annual commitment. You use a service, you get billed monthly in arrears, like a credit card. The catch: no discounts, you pay list price, a premium for that freedom. But it's perfect for proofs of concept in a productive environment, and when your usage becomes predictable, SAP offers a seamless transition into an enterprise agreement. Debit card, credit card, BTPEA, CPEA, PAYG. That's how you remember it. So, quick decision framework. Exploring or running a POC. Start with Pay-As-You-Go. Scaling across multiple use cases. Move to SAP BTPEA. Fixed, well-known scope. Lock in a subscription. Complex landscape. Mix both models. And always validate service availability and pricing in the SAP Discovery Center before you commit. That's the complete picture of SAP BTP Commercial Models, straight from an architect's playbook. This video is brought to you by Anubhav Trainings. If you're willing to join our SAP BTP technical courses and master BTP development using RAP, CAP, and SAP Build, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, ring that bell, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!